You know, if the conditions will allow, Natasha.
Well, it's a pretty broad question that really involves many other heads of departments.
Oh, okay.
But I will say the temperature right now is rather warm. Mountain Meadows at the base is 40 degrees. Plus, it's been pretty windy up there. So overall, not great conditions for skiing or snowboarding. Even if you go to the top, then you're just dealing with the wind and perhaps some icy conditions as well. Now, tomorrow, we're expecting temperatures to once again be similar to what we're seeing right now. So whether or not that means they should open up, well, that's going to be up to some other folks to decide that. But it will be getting colder as we end the week. Here's your snow level forecast. Watch what happens to our freezing level. As soon as we get past Tuesday into the middle of the week, now we're into Wednesday evening, Thursday morning. Now we're bringing that snow level back down closer to our mountain passes, about 4,000 feet. And then we're going to keep it down a little bit further as we get to the end of the week. We might even see snow levels down to about 2,000 feet. So that is some good news. We want to see it, yes, rain, but we don't want to see it snow on top of the mountains. We don't want to see it rain on top of the mountains. So here we go. Lincoln City right now. It's raining and is rather windy out there. Gusts anywhere from 40 to 50 miles per hour at times. It's 54 degrees there, Lincoln City. Okay, take a look at your temperatures across the metro here. Tigard up to 57, Tualatin 58. We have 60 at PDX and Troutdale, 58 Gresham, 56 Eagle Creek. Look at your current wind gusts too. Wind gusts up to 33 miles per hour, that measured at the Fremont Bridge, and 33 miles per hour for us at Portland, 16 for you, Troutdale. But then as soon as we cruise over to the coast, the high wind warning has ended, but we continue to see gusts upwards of 55 for you, Yachats, Newport 48, Depot Bay 33. You get the picture here. Still very wet. It's still very windy out there. Peak wind gusts so far today, upwards of 56 miles per hour. That was at Newport. Salem up to almost 40 miles per hour, 40 miles per hour for you, Bend, as well as Pendleton. Okay, let's look at those rainfall totals. Hillsborough coming in at just under an inch and a half. Same for us in Portland, McMinnville, over an inch and a half, and Astoria now over 2 inches of rain. So heading into tomorrow, we're going to hop into another day full of, yes, rain associated with this atmospheric river. So that air mass is going to keep our temperatures up into the upper 50s. And that rain continues through tomorrow. Now, the heaviest showers are not going to be falling necessarily in the morning, but picking up as soon as we get to late tomorrow afternoon. Let's talk about timing, though, for tonight, because right now we're kind of in a lull at this point. It's still raining, but the rain not all that heavy, but it gets heavier as soon as we roll into your 8 o'clock hour, 9 o'clock. You can see all that's highlighted in yellow and orange, indicating those heavier precipitation rates. As soon as we get to our early morning hours, again, it'll be raining, not quite as hard. Next heavy round shows up for us tomorrow, right around about 4 or 5 o'clock. And then we get to Wednesday. Wednesday, yes, you'll have some rain, but it's not going to be as persistent and not nearly as heavy. Now we're starting to bring those temperatures down. So now we're able to get that snow to show up right around that 4,000 foot mark by the time we get to Thursday morning. So how much more rain could we see between now and late Wednesday night? We might be able to pick up an additional 1.5 inches of rain for us in the valley, but it could be an additional 2.5 inches of rain out towards the coast. So that flood watch continues for the coast range and portions of the coast through tonight. There's your 7-day forecast, and you can see the theme is rainy, but those temperatures won't be staying above normal. We're going to get back to the low 50s, maybe even some dry time just in time for the weekend with partly cloudy skies and daytime highs right around 50 degrees.
Kind of balmy outside.
It is. It's kind of good for the skin, though, if you think about it. It's kind of,
I like it.
Yeah, high dew points.
Yeah.
Yes.
Go get a pineapple or something.
Right.
All right. Thanks. Hey, coming up.